again repeat. We wanted this to be date, so a date validation. So what we should do is, we must first of all select this and then go to the format and make it as a date cell. It will be normally in general. Then we go to the validation. Then we can go to data validation, and then we can select this date. Then we can put the input date. Start date is 1/4/2021. End date is 31/3/2022 for this financial year. Now I enter a date of today, 06/03/22. It doesn't say anything. Now I write 06/03/21, and it gives me a message. What is this message? This value does not match the data. Same thing, no, because we don't understand what it is. So what we can do is, we can go and give a error message for this. Select all these things and go to the validation. Then you go to the data validation. Then you say error alert. You say date should be, if you want, you can write within FY 2021-22, because all financials will agree. Can others please mute your mic, please? That will help everybody to listen properly. Now we go and enter. Can others please mute your mic, because the other people will get disturbed. So let's go and put a last year financial year. It says date should be with the financial year 2021-22. That is what it says. So all the four it will work. If I give a date within this financial year, it will accept. If I'm going to give a date within the next financial year, it will reject. So this is about doing a dates within a financial year, right? Now we come to, is there any doubt on this, please? Anybody? Is there any doubt? Can we proceed? No doubt. Now here comes the designation. We wanted to do, what is the validation here? Only text with the length of 5 characters, maximum length of 5 characters. So what we should do, we must first of all select this, make the format cell as text. Okay, text means, what is the meaning of a text? Can somebody help me? Meaning of a text. Can somebody help me, please?
Only
thing freely written
can be given as input.
It can be anything. Okay, right? Or you can make it as, when you go to the format, you can make it as general, number. Now we go to text, and it says text format cells are treated even when a number is in the cell. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. Whatever you enter, it will do. Right? Now, let us say the designations are MGR for manager, DM for deputy manager, AM for assistant manager, GM for general manager. Like that it comes. Now we have to have a validation. What kind of a validation we do? We go here, we go to the data validation, we go to the settings. What we are supposed to take here? The text should be 5 characters. Text length. Thank you very much. So if we go to the text length, again we give minimum 1, maximum 5. Then let's say A, B, C, D, E, it accepts. A, it accepts. Sorry. A, it accepts. Let us say A, B, C, D, E, F. Sorry. What is the thing? We have not selected. One to 5, yes. What does it say? The value doesn't match. You can give your own input message. The text length should be between 1 to 5, or should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Now you know how to give an input message, so I am not repeating it. So this is how I do the, we have done the, this one. What is that? text. Any doubt on this?
I have one doubt. I have one
Can
doubt.
we proceed?
Sir,
Can we proceed, please?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Here in this text column, it can also accept numbers. When I enter some number, it is giving date format numbers.
Sir, number is accepting.
Yeah, okay, text also is number. It for me in my Excel format, it is given as 001-0 something like that.
Rao sir, we are not able to hear you. Can you just increase your volume?
Yeah, yes, sir.
I understood that 5 characters. Then you said in your laptop there is some issue. Can you please tell me what it is?
In the designation, in the text format, if I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is showing 060234.
No, no, sir. Sir, what is happening? Sir, I am on the text length. If by chance, if this field has been done as a date field, then it will create a problem. What you do is select that range. First, format the cells as date field or as a text column, text field. Otherwise, we will take your screen and then we will see what is happening. Just give me 2 minutes. I will finish the next one and then I will come back to you, sir. Please hold on for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
It has come over.
Yeah.
Select
Yeah.
text.
Now we will see some other this one. Many of you must have seen. You must be filling up some forms and all, where sex is given or what do you call salutation is given as Mr., Mrs., MS, Doctor, Engineer, like that. No, where you will click, there is will be inverted triangle. You click and then you will have to choose only one. Country, you can choose only one. Many of you must have seen how it is done, so that you don't make a mistake of putting a different spelling and all. Let us say we want the regions to be in the drop down menu, right? So we will select this first of all, and then we will go to the format and make it as, let's say, general. Okay, no specific number format, or we take it as a text field for this case. Now we want Chennai means SR, southern region. Kolkata means eastern region. Mumbai means western region. Delhi means northern region. So we want a drop down list to come. So how do I do? So I first select these 4. Then we again go to data validation. Now we go to data validation. Sorry. We go to data validation. Now we want, what do we want? We want a list now. So we take a list. So you can make the list elsewhere and then refer it here, or you can make this as SR, comma, WR, comma, ER, comma, NR. This also is possible. Now you just see. You can only select out of these 4 only you can select. You cannot select a central region because there is no central region so far. Isn't it? Somebody can select Chennai for western region. That's a different issue. But then you have this kind of validation where you have got a drop down list from where you can do. This drop down list can be done in 2-3 ways, because you can select. Please watch carefully. Data validation. We have got the list, but then what happens if this list is going to be southern region, comma, western region, or it is going to be country's name? Suppose 200 or 150 countries you will not write. Then it becomes very, very difficult for you. So what we can do is, you can write down, let us say India. Now you have got UK. Now you have got a USA. Now you have got a Japan. Now you have got a China. Now you got a France. I'm just giving an example. Now this is what we want to be the list. So what we can do now, we can select this, go to the data validation. When it asking for the list, you can simply take this. This is the place where you are given. So $M $6, double colon $M $11. Now when I click this, so when I click, I will get this. This need not be in the same workbook, worksheet. It can be anywhere else in another worksheet also. Like we are having validations is a sheet. It can be elsewhere. So this is all. This is how we do a list, drop down list as a validation. In this, what happens? Nobody can make a mistake of the spelling in Japan, China, France, and all, because it is already available. Let us say you are going to enter the branches, or you are going to enter some particular thing, a product name and all. You can put the product name in the list, drop down list, and then people can select whatever list they wanted to do. So this is the thing in which how we did the date within a financial year, or a text character within a length of 5 characters, or a regions in the drop down menu. So what we will do, I will stop at this particular point.